Enamel, made of hydroxyapatite, is the hardest tissue in the human body, which covers the crown and provides the tooth with its strength. The appearance of a tooth can range in color, from light yellow to a bluish white, which is due to the way that hydroxyapatite and dentine scatter light. Enamel is composed of 96% hydroxyapatite, with remaining 4% being proteins left over from its original formation. Once formed, the delicate balance of demineralization and remineralization keeps the enamel healthy. Modern lifestyles may disrupt this balance, shifting to extensive demineralization. Once this happens, caries lesions form, which can vary in their severity and depth. Formulated after decades of research, our XF technology exploits natural amino acids chains' designed ability to self-assemble in acidic environment, an environment found within carious lesion. The peptides are initially a fluid, existing as separate rod-like structures. Within acidic conditions, these rods form a large matrix, which acts as a scaffold guiding tooth remineralization. The surface of the matrix attracts calcium and phosphate from saliva like a magnet. On application, our formula easily diffuses into the lesion. The scaffold forms and attracts calcium and phosphate from saliva. In combination with fluoride, hydroxyapatite crystals regrow, remineralizing decayed tooth, avoiding future invasive and damaging interventions.